so this time I decided to make a video for all the Malaysian students that will be facing PT3 soon. Well, I am the first batch for the new syllabus, so I think this video might helps. So just sit back and listen to me. First thing that you should do is prepare yourself well. I started studying during March if I am not wrong. Don't get disappointed if your first couple exam isn't good. I barely passed my maths in my first exam, so don't give up so fast. Here, this is my comparison of my weak subjects during my first exam and PT3. Next, you would want to create a study schedule. Sadly, I deleted the timetable I used last year, but I make a new one that is kinda similar to it, but it's for my online classes, tuition classes, and self-studies during MCO. Third point, put in extra work for your weak subjects. For example, I am really weak in mathematics and history, so I bought a lot of exercise books to do it every day, except history I bought the previous year's textbook to read it every day, and it kinda help, I guess. I just try to remember each subtopic per week. Not only that you have to study every day, I would recommend you to study every day if possible. I take break every 2 weeks on Sunday, and sometimes if I am really tired I just skip that particular day to rest or take my mind off studies. Take break. I usually study for 30 minutes and rest for 10 minutes to text friends or listen to podcast. For me, I listen to How Did I Get Here by Jay from DAY6 ***. You can watch motivational videos when you are unmotivated to study. I have this particular video that really motivated me last year, so I will link it down at the description so you can go check it out yourself. ***, don't disrespect your teachers. No matter how bad that teacher is, just respect them. Don't talk shit about them although you dislike them. This is quite hard for me because I have this particular teacher that I really don't like because of her teaching style, but I just force myself to respect her because no matter what, she is still a teacher. Trust yourself. I was about to give up during my trial because I got around 40+ for both my maths and history, which is what I work hard on, but I didn't give up and continue studying till the real exam. Pay 100% attention in class. I know history class might be the most boring class, but hey, at least you are getting new knowledge. Buy some candy like mints and eat one when you are sleepy, obviously without teacher noticing. Do well in your kerja kursus ***, which I did because my Sej teacher is strict, but yeah, that helps because as you see, kerja kursus is like free marks for you. You get all the references and just kinda copy paste and bam, free mark. I got some references book/textbook, which kinda help because you have to study for what you learned for the past 3 years. I would recommend you to get textbook or reference books, but if you are on budget or not have enough money to buy them, you can borrow references book from the library. Answer the questions at the end of each chapters. In the textbook there will always be questions that are prepared. Try doing them to see if you understand the chapter. According to one of my teacher, the exam will always be similar to the question they gave in our textbooks. So try all the exercises in the textbook, especially maths. Trust me, be positive. I think this is the most important because you see, if you see studying is a torture or just a waste of time, you will tend to forget what you study. So instead you should take some time and sit down with a piece of paper and pen and write why you want to study. Maybe to make your parents proud, to get into science class, Take 5 minutes in the morning to write down what do you want to achieve today and place it somewhere you can see. Last year what I did is write down the things that I want to achieve on a sticky note and paste it on my file that I always carry around with me, so yeah, that's all I guess. I know for this year 2020 PT3 will be cancelled, but that doesn't mean you don't have to study. You still have SPM to go and more exams after that. As for my dear 2021 PT3 batch, I wish you guys good luck being the second batch to take new PT3 syllabus. Yeah, that's all from me. I guess see you again in the next video.
Goodbye, adios. Yeah. Goodbye, adios. Goodbye, adios.